Hi there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today Patrick and I are going to be checking out By Chloe. It's a vegan restaurant that just opened in Toronto at the Yorkdale Shopping Centre, and it opened in the fall, and it's owned by Chloe Casarelli, who is a world famous vegan chef. So we're excited to try it. We've been wanting to try it for a while. So we're gonna go on in and check out what they have. Patrick and I have been wanting to try out By Chloe for a long time. It's a restaurant that is in the Yorkdale Shopping Centre, which is just in North York, just north of Toronto, and it just opened this fall. By Chloe has lots of locations all around the United States: New York City, Boston, Providence, Rhode Island, Miami, and in Los Angeles. And the Toronto location opened, and we were really excited to try it. And as I said, it's in Yorkdale Shopping Centre, which is a very she shopping center, an extremely expensive shopping center. They even have a Tesla dealership right in the mall. And we were excited to try it. By Chloe is this super cute little restaurant that actually has been designed to look like an individual storefront with a brick on the outside and also brick on the inside. So it's a really cute location. When we went inside, we were happy to see how nicely it was decorated. As I said, it had brick interior wall. The floor, it had little tiny tiles all over the floor saying By Chloe. It was really cute. It also had these lovely little swings, chair swings that you could sit in and eat your lunch or dinner if you wanted to. The way that you order is you go up to the counter and you place your order, and then you pick it up once it's ready for you. It is fast food style, so you don't have a server coming and bringing you the food or coming to ask you what you would like. We ordered 4 items that we shared. The first item was the poutine. Now, we were a little hesitant at first as to whether or not we were going to order it, because we weren't sure really what the fries would taste like, because they're air-baked fries. They're not deep-fried French fries. They're air-baked. You can either get original or sweet potato. We got the original, but it comes with their homemade cheese curds and this amazing golden gravy and some parsley on top. And when we tried it, we were wowed. We loved them. The fries, again, we were not too sure at the beginning if we'd like them. They were fantastic, and the gravy was extremely flavorful. It had a bit of an onion flavor to it. It was a really tasty gravy. The second thing that Patrick and I shared was the BLT, and that had shiitake bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, and a chipotle mayonnaise, and it came on 7-grain toast. The avocado pieces were huge, which was really quite nice, since a lot of times, you know, when you go and get a sandwich with avocado on it, the avocado's a little minimal, but here the avocado was really plentiful, so that was a great treat. And the shiitake bacon, they were small little pieces of shiitake bacon. They were crispy, and they were definitely marinated in something to give them that bacony flavor, and it was a really good sandwich. The third thing that we shared was my favorite, and that was the quinoa taco salad. Supposedly this one, according to the woman at the counter, this is a big hit, and I can see why. It was extremely flavorful. It was a little spicy, a little sweet. It was just a delectable salad, and I would definitely get it again. It had romaine lettuce, quinoa, of course. It had spicy seitan sausage crumbles, black beans, sweet corn, had avocado, tomato, tortilla strips, which gave it a nice little crunch, and a tofu cream, and it came with an agave lime vinaigrette. As I said, it was delicious and I would definitely get it again. And it was nice and hearty and a good size portion. And the last thing that we ordered was a cookie for dessert that we shared. The cookie was very large. It was a rainbow sugar cookie, and it was definitely a good size for 2 people because it was pretty dense and it was quite delicious. I almost never actually make sugar cookies, or very, very rarely. I don't know why, I just don't tend to make a lot of sugar cookies. So I was really happy to try this one, and it definitely was quite tasty. Well, that was a really delicious dinner. If you're in the Toronto area, I highly recommend that you try By Chloe in Yorkdale Shopping Mall, which is just off of the 401 in Toronto, and you won't be disappointed. It was really amazing. We only had 4 things, I guess, with the cookie for dessert, and every single thing was awesome. Really good. Amazing flavors, really unique taste, great stuff. Hey, thanks a lot for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the little bell to be notified for future videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.